Hello, I'm Paul Freener, and I work as a staff attorney at Legal Aid of Northwest Texas in the Lubbock office. I'm here remotely with Tom Stanton, an attorney in our McKinney office. Tom handles many of our cases with the Texas Workforce Commission, including unemployment compensation matters. I have asked Tom to speak with me today to answer some questions about unemployment benefits during the COVID-19 crisis here in Texas. Good morning, Tom. What is the first thing that you would tell someone who is unemployed right now?
Good morning, Paul. I would say apply for unemployment benefits. Apply, apply, apply. You cannot get benefits unless you apply. If you are not sure if you are eligible for benefits, you should still apply and let the Texas Workforce Commission determine if you are eligible for benefits.
What are unemployment benefits?
Unemployment benefits, sometimes called unemployment compensation, is money that might be paid out through the government to individuals who are out of work. There are special rules for unemployment right now due to the coronavirus pandemic. So many people who usually could not get this help can get it now. Also, it might be that you can get more money than usual if you are out of work due to the coronavirus pandemic.
So how do you apply for unemployment benefits?
You can apply online at the Texas Workforce Commission website. That website is twc.state.tx.us, or by phone at 800-939-6631. The call centers are now open 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
What information do I need when I apply for benefits?
You will need the following information: your last employer's business name and address, the first and last dates, month, day, and year you worked for the last employer, the number of hours you worked and your pay rate, information about your normal wages or income. Lastly, you will need your alien registration number if you are not a U.S. citizen or national.
Is it difficult to apply for unemployment?
Normally, it is not difficult to apply. However, right now, it is taking longer than usual. The Workforce Commission is averaging 1.5 million calls a day, and its website is overwhelmed. They are adding more personnel and opening additional sites to take calls, but you might have difficulty getting through, or you might have a long wait time. You must keep trying and do not give up.
What if I have trouble applying? Will I lose my benefits?
No. The Workforce Commission has changed its policy so you can make a claim retroactive to or back to March the 8th of 2020.
So who is eligible to get these benefits?
The good news is that the types of workers who are eligible for benefits have been greatly expanded during the coronavirus pandemic. This means people who normally would not be able to get benefits may now get benefits. So independent contractors may get benefits, along with self-employed workers and workers who do not have a lot of past earnings. If you are not sure if you are eligible, it is important to apply, and the Texas Workforce Commission will determine if you are eligible.
So if I'm still working, but my hours have been greatly reduced, can I get unemployment benefits then?
Yes. If your hours have been significantly reduced, you should apply for benefits. You may get benefits to make up the difference.
If I lose my job, do I have to wait to apply for benefits?
No. You can apply for benefits as soon as you lose your job. This is another change in how unemployment benefits work right now. You do not have to wait 7 days before you can apply. Now you can apply immediately when you lose your job.
Do I have to be looking for a job while I am receiving the benefits?
No. Normally, a worker has to be looking for a job while he or she is receiving unemployment benefits, but this has also changed. You do not have to be actively looking for work.
How much money in unemployment will I be receiving and for how long?
The amount of money you receive depends on how much you were earning before you lost your job. The Workforce Commission will calculate how much this is. In addition to the normal amount that is being paid, you might also get an extra $600 each week due to new federal laws. Also, while you normally would receive benefits for 26 weeks, this has also been changed. You can now receive benefits for 39 weeks, 13 extra weeks.
So if a worker has been receiving benefits, will they receive the additional 13 weeks of benefits too?
Yes. If a worker was receiving benefits when the federal legislation went into effect, that worker will get an additional 13 weeks of benefits.
So what happens if my application or my claim for benefits is denied?
If the Workforce Commission denies your claim, they will send you a letter explaining why you were denied benefits. The letter will also explain how to appeal the decision denying your benefits. If you appeal, your hearing officer will hold a telephone hearing with you and your previous employer. The hearing officer listens to each side and will make a decision sometime after the call. You will get a letter with that decision.
So do you have any last suggestions for unemployed workers?
Again, apply. You cannot get benefits unless you apply. Do not get discouraged if you run into problems or delays when you are applying for benefits. Just keep trying until the Texas Workforce Commission gets your application.
Thank you so much for joining me, Tom. If you have more questions or you need legal assistance, you can apply for help at your local legal aid office. Legal Aid of Northwest Texas provides free legal help in areas like employment and unemployment, housing, consumer law, public benefits, and family law to low-income individuals and families in North and West Texas. If you live in North or West Texas, you can apply for help with Legal Aid of Northwest Texas, and eligible applicants can speak to an attorney. You can apply by calling 888-529-5277. Or for unemployment problems and most other types of civil legal issues, you can also apply for help with us online at www.lanwt.org. That's www.landwt.org. Thank you.